Look, I don't care what you... No, no, absolutely not. No, this situation needs to be taken care of right now, okay? Look, I'm not there in person, so make sure that it gets done. I don't care if there's a movement. I don't care if they burn the whole damn arena down. Take care of it
Ladies and
now.
gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. There may be just a slight detour today,
hold on
do
for a
expect some
second.
heavy turbulence. Please buckle up.
That can't. No. Look, give me a second. Hey, back there! Where's my food already? What is this, a commercial flight? You think this is Coach? Come on, I'm not paying service for this place. This is ridiculous. I said a baked potato. How the hell did you even get...
Now, Mr. Cameron, don't talk with your mouth full. That is impolite. Wow, going back for seconds, are we?
Oh, you motherfucker!
Oh my gosh, how rude of me. Sir, would you like a beverage? You must be parched.
You son of a bitch! Stop that right now! I'm gonna... I swear to God, I'm gonna throw you in... Stop it! You son of a bitch... Wait a... If you're here, and you were... Who the hell's flying the plane?
Whoops.
Turbulence.
Oh shit! This bitch is going down!
Turbulence. Turbulence.
Fuck!
Turbulence.
Oh, my
Turbulence.
back.
Turbulence.
Oh.
Turbulence. Turbulence. Turbulence.
You wanna come on my plane? You wanna try and come at me? How do you like it, Morgan?
Turbulence. Turbulence.
So please get in there! Control this shit!
See you in hell, Cameron!
Turbulence. Turbulence. Turbulence.
Are you fucking insane? Seriously? I know you're pissed off at me, but you wanna come here and you wanna take us both down in a plane?
Oh my god, don't be silly. I would never take us both down in a plane. Bye.
Fuck.